In this video, we'll talk about a problem about the exponential decay. So first of all, for question A, since the population follows the exponential law, and n is the population and t is time, and then express n as a function of t, n of t should be equal to n naught, which is the initial population, times e to the k, which is here will be the decay rate, and times t. All right, so now let's look at part B. This is what we given in part B. And in order to find the population in 2009, we need to know K, which is the decay rate first. So we will use this information to find the value of K, which is the rate of decay. Okay, so use the formula n of t equals n naught times e to the kt. What do we know here? First of all, we know the time, the amount after time t is 80,000, right? The initial amount or initial population is 90,000 times e to the k is what we're looking for. And what is t here? From 2005 to 2007, it's 2 years, right? So 2 here. So now let's solve for k. So first I will isolate e to the 2k part. So I'm going to divide both sides by 90,000. So on the right side it's gone. On the left side I'm going to simplify it as 8 over 9. So e to the 2k is 8 over 9. Now I'm going to take ln on both sides just to solve for k, so that the 2k can be moved to the front because of the power rule of logarithm. So you have ln of 8 over 9 equals 2k times ln of e, which is 1. That is gone. And to solve for k, you need to divide both sides by 2. So k is equal to, you can see it as 1/2 of ln of 8 over 9, or ln of 8 over 9 all over 2. All right, I'm not going to round this number because I want my actual answer to be as accurate as possible. So I'm just going to plug it into the next part. All right, so for the next part, I'm going to use this formula again, where this time for the initial amount, I can either use 80,000 or 90,000. So for 80,000, the year, the t will be 2, right? For 90,000, the t will be 4. So I'm going to use 80,000 and t of 2. So here, t of 2, because from 2007 to 2009, that's 2 years. And not, since I started from 2007, I'm going to use 80,000 times e to the k is this big number here, ln of 8 over 9, but it will be multiplied by 2. Okay, so 1/2 and 2, they cancel out. All right, make it a bit easier to look at. So it's 80,000 times e to the basically ln of 8 over 9. So now let's put this expression into the calculator and find out what is the population. I know I will have to round something. So here I have 80,000 times e to the power of, so it's this function, and I'm going to use parentheses here just to be safe. 8 over 9. This number to the ln. Let's see, ln. Okay, that's it. Right. Okay. So my answer is 71,111.1111. Okay. So since it's population, I'm just going to round it to the nearest whole number. So 71,111. Right. So that will be the population in 2009. Now let's see if it makes sense. It kind of makes sense, right? So the population was 80,000 in 2007, and in 2009 it's like keep declining. So it's 80, 71, 111. And that's the end of this problem. And I hope you find this helpful, and I will see you in the next video.